Sairam, dear children, welcome to today's maths class. We will start today's class by chanting Omkar 3 times. All of you can join your hands with me for chanting Omkar. Once again, Sairam to all of you and welcome to the maths class. We are going to start today's class now. Okay, तो बच्चों यस बोलिए सब लोग कहाँ पर है यस बोलिए ओके वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड ओके yes beta okay now am I very nicely audible and visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Now I am going to show
Yes,
you one
ma'am.
thing. ओके मैं आपको एक चीज दिखाने जा रही हूँ ये हार्दिक गुर्जर वीडियो ऑफ कर दीजिए बेटा जल्दी से हार्दिक वीडियो ऑफ कर दीजिए आज खोलना नहीं ठीक है आज वीडियो ऑन नहीं करना ओके लिसन केयरफुली बेटा सी आई एम शोइंग यू समथिंग कैन यू सी इट और नॉट
Yes, ma'am. We can see it clearly.
Okay, this is a measuring cylinder. We have seen it in the science lab. And in this measuring cylinder, I have put some water. And to show the color, I have put some potassium permanganate to make the water colorful. So that you can see, you can watch it very clearly. ठीक है जब मैं एक छोटा सा चीज कर रही हूँ तब आपको इस जो मैं कर रही हूँ उसको एक स्टोरी से रिलेट करने का कोशिश करना है इसमें पानी है वाटर इज देयर सम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इज देयर आई हैव ए रबर बैंड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस रबर बैंड हियर टू शो यू द वाटर लेवल ओके ये वाटर का जो लेवल है लेवल पे मैंने क्या किया व्हाट डिड आई डू आई one rubber band the water level okay and your work is to relate this activity with a story which is a very famous story we have already learned now I have something in my hand can you say what is this
Ma'am, kancha.
Marble.
Marble.
I am putting one marble inside this मैंने डाल दिया okay putting one more marble I put 2 marbles now is it visible to you
Yes, ma'am.
now I put one more marble I am putting one more marble I am putting one more marble once again a marble now see what is happening can you say something
Yes, the water level was.
one minute Aditri बताइए what is happening
And the water level is now much higher.
okay this was the red rubber band this was the water level now the water is here I am putting another rubber band on this new water level this is the final water level see this is the final water level and this is the initial first water level okay तो ये मुझसे बताइए ये वाटर लेवल इंक्रीज क्यों हुआ ऊपर क्यों आ गया ये एक क्वेश्चन है why this water level has gone up अब मेरा क्वेश्चन है can you relate this activity this simple activity with a story which you have already learned अद्रिता आपको
Ma'am,
याद आ रहा है
ma'am, when we put the marbles in the
yes
container, the marble
Yes.
is taking the place where it used to be the like bottom place. So the water level is increasing.
You are correct. Very good. Correct. But my question is, can you relate this activity with a story? कोई बचपन
Yes, ma'am.
में सीखा
Yes, ma'am.
है?
Like the crow story, the thirsty crow.
Very good. Very good. Clapping for you. The thirsty crow story. तो थर्स्टी क्रो ने क्या किया था, हम एक वीडियो का माध्यम से देखेंगे. वी विल ट्राई टू सी दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ
Video.
Okay, for that I am going to share my screen or Aditri will help me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. I am going to a tab. Okay.
Ma'am, Pihu's video is actually on.
Pihu, your video you off. Pihu, off your video. Okay, beta. Okay. No problem. Okay. Aditri, can you see Tata Classets?
Yes, ma'am, I can see Tata Classets.
Okay. Very good. I am typing the school's name, our school's name. School's name came and username, then pass. Now I will type the password. Now I am going to sign in. Okay, beta, it will come soon. Okay, can you see the classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Class 5 division and mathematics.
Yes. This lesson we are towards the end of our syllabus, chapter 14, how big, how heavy. In this, we are going to watch a video which we discussed now. Can you say what is that video?
The Thirsty Crow.
Very good. Yes, you can see the crow. Okay, the crow is ready to fly. Okay, so let us play the video. Watch it very carefully. If there is any sound issue, you watch it very carefully. Okay.
It is a hot, sunny afternoon, and Haraka the crow is in search of water. Suddenly,
Okay, beta, is it audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay.
he spots an old jar
Yes,
under a withered tree.
Listen
A
carefully.
glimmer of hope. Haraka swoops down to get a sip of water. To his dismay, Haraka finds the level of water in the jar to be too low for him to be able to reach it. What should I do, he thinks to himself. He looks around helplessly when he sees some pebbles. An idea occurs to him. He picks up a pebble and drops it in the pot. The water level rises, but is still not enough for Haraka to be able to reach it. Haraka picks up another pebble and drops it in the pot. The water level in the pot rises further. The glimmer of hope returns. Haraka drops a few more pebbles into the jar with the hope that the water level will rise enough for him to be able to get a drink. Why did the level of water rise when Haraka dropped the pebbles in it? Click next to find out.
Okay, now our question is this, children. What made the water level in the jar rise? This was the question while we discussed the activity also. What made the water level rise from the orange rubber band to the yellow rubber band? So to explain this, we are going to the next.
Look at this jar. It has some space inside it which can be filled with a liquid. This space inside the jar is called the volume of the jar.
Okay, so children, you can see now in this video similar measuring cylinder as we used in the activity, and here it is written the space occupied by an object is known as its volume. So whatever space is inside this measuring cylinder, it is called the volume of this measuring cylinder. Okay, and you can see the graduations also here. The measuring cylinder 0 ml, 100 ml, 200 ml, it is written over here. Now let us continue.
Jar. Let's begin by filling some water in the jar to further explore the concept of volume. Observe that the jar is filled to the 400th mark.
You can see.
Let's mark this as the original water level, as this is the water level we start with. Now, let's follow Haraka's example and drop a pebble in the jar. The water level rises, doesn't it? When any solid is dropped in a liquid, it displaces some of the liquid to make space for itself. The volume of liquid displaced is equal to the volume of that solid.
Okay, beta. So whenever we...
So now you know why the water level in the jar rose each time Haraka dropped a pebble in it. What if we now want to calculate the volume of the solid that was dropped in the liquid? To do this, let's mark this new water level as the final level. The difference between the final water level and the original water level will give us the volume of the solid. Here, the difference between the final level and the original level is equal to 200 milliliters. So, the volume of the solid is 200 milliliters or 200 cubic centimeters. Now, it's your turn to calculate the volume of some solids using this method.
Okay, children, did you understand what the explanation is?
Yes,
See,
ma'am, we understand.
when we put, okay, beta. I shall tell you once again, some child did not understand. When we put some material into the water level rises because this material, this pebble, this stone, this coin, whatever we are putting in, it needs some space to occupy. It needs some space. तो जितना space उस चीज के लिए जरूरी है, उतना space पानी वहां से हट के देते हैं. Then water gets displaced. Water changes its place to the upper level and gives space to this. It is just like this. When somebody comes to our home, what we do is we give our space to them and we will go to a different space like that. So this stone has taken place here. So the place which is necessary for this one, that much water is displaced. So this rise in water level shows the space needed for this stone. यहाँ पे लिखा है volume of the pebble is equal to, this is called final level. 600 ml is the final level and original level is 400 ml. इसका मतलब ये पत्थर डालने से पहले 400 ml पे था, अब डालने के बाद 600 ml हो गया. So what is the difference? 600 ml minus 400 ml. How much it is, children?
200 ml.
200 ml. Very good. This is written here. 600 ml minus 400 ml equal to 200 ml. And this last part is 200 cc. It is written. तो आपने शायद ध्यान से सुना होगा. इधर क्या बताया था वीडियो में? 200 cc को
सेंटीमीटर
100
Cubic centimeter.
centimeter. You are very smart. अच्छे से आप ध्यान से सुन रहे हो. 200 cubic centimeter. But when we learned boxes and sketches chapter, हमने cubic centimeter में वॉल्यूम निकाला था. तो हम लोग CU सेंटीमीटर लिखा था, CU CM लिखा था. That is same. Okay. अब यहाँ से हमको एक रिलेशनशिप भी सीखना है. 200 ml is equal to 200 cubic centimeter. Can someone say 1 ml is how many cubic centimeter? Yashmit, 200 ml 200 cubic centimeter है. तो 1 ml कितना cubic centimeter होगा बेटा?
1 cubic centimeter.
How many? 1 ml. देखो नंबर सही में ना. 200 ml is equal to 200 cubic.
Ma'am, 1 cubic centimeter.
1 cubic. Very good. 1 ml is 1 cubic centimeter. ये रिलेशन ध्यान में रखना. अब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. ठीक है? We will go to the
Drag
next.
and drop the marble in the measuring cylinder to find its volume.
Okay. So here you see the initial level is 500 ml. Original level is 500 ml. Now we have to drag and drop this marble into this measuring cylinder. Now what happened? Now what happened? Pihu, क्या हुआ?
Choose the correct answer
बताइए.
and click submit.
250 ml.
Then from 500 ml, this water level, original level was, first level was 500. Now water level is risen to 550 ml. 500 से 550 पे पहुंच गए final level. So our question is, volume of the marble is, there are 4 options.
Ma'am, 50 ml.
50 ml. 50 ml
Ma'am, it's 50 ml.
minus 500. Let me click this and submit.
That's
Okay.
right. The
We
difference
are
between
correct.
the original level and the final level is 50 milliliters.
Very good. We are correct. Okay. Now we will go for the next.
Drag and drop the marble in the measuring cylinder to find its volume.
Okay. Here you have another marble, but this marble is different. First one was green. This is, so let me help you to drag and drop it again inside this. Okay. Now children, see what happened.
Choose the correct answer and click submit.
Okay. Now 500 tha initial level, first level, and now the level is risen to
180
180.
ml.
अच्छा, आपको 180 लग रहा है आंसर? Shall we try this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Submit.
That's right.
Ah,
The difference between the original level and the
Correct.
final level is 180 milliliters.
good, good, beta. Very nice. Okay, let me close it.
Hence, we can say that when a solid object is placed in a liquid, it displaces some amount of the liquid. The amount of liquid displaced is equal to the volume of the solid. Haraka dropped some pebbles in the jar so that enough water would be displaced, pushing the water level up to a point where he is able to reach it.
Now see, Haraka is okay, beta. Somebody's mic is on. You please off the mic. विकास माइक ऑफ कर दीजिए. विकास माइक ऑफ कर दीजिए. विकास, be careful. Okay. Now you got the idea of the story of the thirsty crow. The crow got enough water. She drank water, and the end of the story is like that. She drank the water and flew away. Okay. Now we can also go from here. We will now go to exercise part or a quiz part. Okay, let us go to a quiz. Quiz पसंद है ना आप लोगों को? पसंद?
Yes, ma'am. बहुत पसंद है.
Okay, okay, good, very nice. Okay, see, there are some questions in this quiz which is not related to our today's topic. So I will skip that. So let us start with the first question. The volume of water in a cylinder is 850 ml. When a marble is dropped into this cylinder, the
50 ml.
rises to 900 ml. Let me read the question, children. What is the volume of the marble in ml? Now you understand.
50 ml.
50 say
50 ml.
Oh, okay, you are so clever.
Answer D.
50 ml.
Is the answer, ma'am.
Okay, 50 ml. Let me submit and see. Okay, okay, children, you are correct. You are correct. Okay, now we will go to another question. Okay, this question I am going to skip because it is not of today's topic. Now, next question. Which among the following will hold the least volume of water? A water tank, a tablespoon, a bucket, or a tea kettle? Which holds
Answer B, a teaspoon.
Ma'am, the answer is D. A teaspoon.
Ma'am, a teaspoon. A teaspoon.
teaspoon means kam se kam. Okay, teaspoon. Very good, very good. Okay, so let me submit. Yes, you are correct. Good, 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 beta. Good going. So let us try the next question. This also I am going to skip. Okay. Now we will try this. A large cube of volume 136 cubic centimeter. There is a big cube. Its volume is 136 cubic centimeter and it is completely filled with water. उसमें पानी भरी हुई है. When the water from this cube is completely emptied, it fills 8 smaller cubes. इसका मतलब है 136 cubic centimeter water को 8 small cubes में भर रहे हैं. Equal volume है. The small cubes are of same size, same volume. Okay. Find the volume of one such small cube. एक cube का volume बताइए. What will you do?
Ma'am, 136 divided by 8 is equal to 17.
Divided by 8.
Yes, yes. Do one thing. Take a piece of your copy, rough column. You do divide and get the answer.
Ma'am, divide 117 cubic centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Divide and tell me. Divide and tell me. अब आपको यूनिट के बारे में ध्यान रखना है. दिस बिगर यूनिट इज क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. So
17 cubic centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
meter. 12
Ma'am,
centimeter.
17 cubic centimeter.
This is 15. This is 17. दो 17.
Ma'am,
So
17 cubic centimeter is the option because
One minute, let me ask somebody. I'm not Adrita. बताइए, B is correct.
Ma'am, B is correct because then the D answer is the unit is different. It's meter.
Okay. Okay.
And B
Okay.
is written centimeter.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Correct unit is in
Answer
B.
B.
Very good.
Yes,
So shall we? Okay, we will try this one. Okay, let me submit. Okay, you are correct. You are correct, Adrita. Okay, now we will try another question. When exactly 3 similar marbles are dropped into a beaker, similar type का marble 3 है, they are dropped into a beaker containing water, the level of water increases by 30 milliliter. जब 3 डाला है, level of water का increase है 30 ml. What is the volume of a marble in milliliter? एक marble का
10
volume
milliliter.
बताना है.
27 millimeter.
10
One
milliliter.
marble.
10
One
milliliter.
marble.
10 milliliter.
Okay. So this answer Tanvi, आप बताइए.
10 millimeter.
27.
10 millimeter.
Tanvi says 27. Okay. Yashmit. Yashmit.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the volume of one marble? Three marbles displaces 30 ml of water. One marble will displace. One marble कितना displace?
10. Ma'am, 10.
10. Okay, Tanvi, 27 तो 27 नहीं है, तो 3 marbles together 30 ml को displace करते हैं, तो एक marble 30 divided by 3, 10. Let us try this. Okay, Tanvi को समझ में आ गया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we are correct. We are correct. Okay. Now, one more question. State whether the following statement is true or false. Greater the volume of the object placed in water, the lower the level of water displaced by it. इसका मतलब है ज्यादा डालते हैं तो कम पानी ऊपर आता है. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Now, the volume of water in a cylinder is 600 ml. When a stone is dropped into this cylinder, the water level rises to 800 ml. जैसे experiment हमने किया था वैसा ही. What is the volume of the stone in milliliter?
Ma'am,
Yes.
200. 200
Anybody other than 200 answer? Anyone?
200.
No.
Ma'am,
All
200.
together. Okay, good. Let me try. Okay. So let me submit. Okay. 200 is Correct. Okay, beta. Now we will try another question. When 3 marbles are dropped into a beaker containing water, the level of water rises by 50 ml. 3 marbles से 50 ml displacement होता है. How many similar marbles should be dropped into the beaker to increase the level by 200 ml? तो 3 marble से 50 ml होगा. 6 marble से कितना होगा? 100 ml होगा.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
के लिए कितना मार्बल्स चाहिए?
12 marbles.
But 12 marbles.
12
marbles.
marbles.
Okay. Can one of you explain how it is?
Yes, ma'am, I can explain it.
आज बताइए बेटा, बताइए 12 कैसे
Ma'am,
मिले?
if 3 marbles increase the water by 50 ml, then
Yes.
if we add 3 more marbles, it will make it 100 ml. So,
good.
if we, so 100, 200
100 का डबल है ना 200.
Yes, ma'am. 100's
Okay.
double is 200. So, what is 6 double? 6
very good.
double
Very
is 12.
Beta, nicely explained. Okay, let us try. Let us try the answer. Okay, nice. Okay. 12, your answer is correct. And since we have time problem also, we are going from here to one, we can try 1 or 2 exercise questions now. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, 1 or 2 exercise questions. We have done sufficient quiz questions. The other questions I will give you in WhatsApp for homework. Okay, then here is one question, a variety question. When 4 marbles are dropped into a beaker filled with water, the level of water is increased by 25 ml. जब 4 marble को डाला, 25 ml water is increased, water level increased. How many stones should be dropped into the beaker to rise the level by 75 ml? अगर 75 ml अपन को वो करना है, आगे करना है, तो you calculate and tell me the answer. 4 marble 25 ml. तो
16 marbles.
होगा
16 marbles.
हाँ, तो 75 के लिए कितना मार्बल्स होगा?
16 marbles.
4 मार्बल से 25 ml. तो 50 ml के लिए कितना मार्बल्स चाहिए? डबल नंबर ऑफ मार्बल्स. हाउ मेनी?
16 marbles.
50 के लिए पीकू सोच के बताइए बेटा. 4 मार्बल से 25 ml. जो भी आंसर बता रहा है और सोचिए. 4 मार्बल से 25 ml. तो 50 ml में पहुंचना है तो 8 मार्बल्स चाहिए. और 75 पे पहुंचना है तो कितना मार्बल्स चाहिए?
16 marbles.
मैम
यू आर थिंकिंग
मार्बल्स
75 पे पहुंचना है बेटा. 4 मार्बल से 25 ml जाएगा ऊपर पानी. देन 8 मार्बल से 50 ml. फिर 8 plus 4 से 75. हाउ, व्हाट इज द आंसर आदित्रि?
12 ml. मैम 12 ml. मैम 12.
12 बिकॉज देखिए 4 मार्बल्स है 25 का डबल होगा 50. 75 मीन्स 25 प्लस 25 3 बार 25. इसका मतलब 3 बार 4 मार्बल्स डालना पड़ेगा. 4 3s are, व्हाट इज द आंसर?
12.
12. समझ में आया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
12.
Yes, ma'am, we understood.
Okay, got it?
हम लोगों को बाद में लिखना है क्या? बाद में
that I will give you. Okay, बाद में that I will give you. Okay. Now we will go to the one more question. Okay, when 4 exactly similar balls are dropped into a bucket containing water, how many marbles are dropped? 4. See, the water level rises to 60 ml. When we put 4 balls, 60 ml water level rise. The volume of the ball. Find the volume of one ball. 4 ball का volume है 60. What is the volume of one ball?
15.
Ma'am, 15 is the answer.
15 ml.
60
So the volume
divided
of
by
one ball is
4.
15.
Very good, very good. 60 divided by 4. You are correct. So what is the answer? Answer is
15. Ma'am, I didn't get
15.
one thing that
Ma'am,
why.
15. Answer is
Ma'am,
15.
I
Answer
don't
is
get one. Ma'am, I don't understand that why do we divide 60 divided by 4?
60 because now 4 similar balls. When 4 balls are dropped, water level increase to 60 ml. So हमारा क्वेश्चन है वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ बॉल. एक बॉल से कितना पानी ऊपर जाएगा? ये 4 बॉल से गया ना 60 ml. एक बॉल से मतलब 60 divided by 4.
Okay, ma'am, now understood.
Now you got it. Okay, beta. There are more questions, but due to the time limitation, I will give you these questions in WhatsApp, and you will do it in the classwork copy as homework, and we will discuss it later. So let me log out from here today because I have prepared some questions for you by my own questions also. We have to discuss that also. Okay. So let me 1 minute. Let me stop presenting this. Then I will share my entire screen for you to show you the worksheet which I have prepared. That we will discuss now. Okay. So Aditri, tell me whether you can see the screen or not. Okay, let me share my screen first.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
I
Okay.
can see your screen.
Okay, okay, beta. Now your worksheet here. I have made a colorful worksheet today for you. We will discuss it, and afterwards you can write it. I will give you in WhatsApp. Okay, beta. So we will discuss. So what is the chapter's name? Chapter 14.
How heavy,
How heavy?
How light?
how heavy,
How
how
heavy? How light? And don't try to write now. You will write it later. I will give you everything after the class. Okay, beta. So now you listen very carefully. और class में ध्यान दे दीजिए. First question is Rohini took. These questions are made by myself. Okay, not from the book. Rohini took 700 ml of water in a transparent bottle. Transparent bottle पता है ना? जो बाहर से अंदर क्या है सब दिखता है. Okay. The Rohini took 700 ml of water in a transparent bottle. She put a pebble into the water. After that, she put a pebble into the water. Pebble पता है ना? पत्थर. The water level rises to 745 ml. ये है situation. Now you have 2-3 questions. What is the rise in water level? अभी orally बता दीजिए answer. What is the rise in water level?
45.
How do you get it? Rise in water level कैसे ढूंढते हैं? Final level क्या सीखा था?
Final level minus y.
Minus
Original level.
original
Final level
Very good.
minus
Very
original
good, very
level.
good. 745 minus 700. So what answer will come here?
45.
45. What is the unit?
Milliliter.
Milliliter. Very good, children. Discuss the second question. What is the space occupied by the pebble? हमने एक word सीखा था, एक concept सीखा था. What is space occupied by an object called?
Cubic centimeter.
That is unit. Volume. Cubic centimeter is the unit. Okay. The concept is called volume. ये हमने सीखा था ना starting में volume. Okay. So that is the question. What is the space occupied by the pebble, or what is the volume of the pebble in milliliter? ये जो रोहिणी ने डाला तो उस पेबल का वॉल्यूम मिलीलीटर में बताइए. What will be the answer? Saloni, can you say? Saloni? Aryan? Aryan, can you say the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
आर्यन इसका आंसर बता सकते हो?
मैं समझ में नहीं आया वो ये वॉल्यूम वाला.
वॉल्यूम मतलब स्पेस ऑक्युपाइड. जो पत्थर डाला ना उसने, पत्थर डाला तो कितना पानी ऊपर हो गया उतना उस पत्थर का वॉल्यूम है. ये हमने सीखा है. यहाँ पे पत्थर डालने से 45 ml का पानी ऊपर हो गया, इसका मतलब वॉल्यूम कितना है? दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन।
मैम कहना है
यस बेटा बोलिए।
मैम 45 ml।
ओके बेटा, वेरी गुड। कैन यू एक्सप्लेन दिस टू आर्यन? आर्यन को ये समझा सकते हो?
यस मैम।
हाँ बोलिए बेटा, हिंदी में बोलिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
मैम जैसे कि ये हमारा आंसर आया था 745 माइनस बाय 700, तो हमारा आंसर आया था 45। तो उसमें पूछा है
Yes.
कि अगर हम इसको मिलीलीटर में मतलब करेंगे तो वो क्या आंसर आएगा, तो उसका आंसर होगा 45 मिलीलीटर।
ओके बेटा, ओके। आर्यन को समझ में आया? आर्यन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now we will go to the next question. What is the volume of the pebble in cubic centimeter? हमने वीडियो में एक चीज सीखा था। क्या सीखा था? Who can say cubic centimeter और मिलीलीटर के बारे में कुछ तो सीखा था। What was that?
one millimeter is equals to 1 cubic centimeter.
वेरी गुड, ठीक है। ये 1 मिलीलीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर है। तो ये वॉल्यूम ऑफ द पेबल, ये जो पेबल है हमारा रोहिणी का जो पेबल है, व्हाट इज इट्स वॉल्यूम इन क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर? हमें पता है 45 ml तो है। 45 ml क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर। हु कैन से? बॉयज में से, बॉयज में से कोई बताइए। Boys are not there.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will ask to girls then. Girls,
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए बेटा।
कौन सा क्वेश्चन? मैम मेरा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम चल
थर्ड
रहा है।
क्वेश्चन। हाँ ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। जिसका नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम नहीं है वो बोलिए। व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द पेबल इन क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर? 1 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर मीन्स 1 ml। यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर 45 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर।
45 cubic centimeter. 45 cubic
Yes,
45
45 milliliter is same as 45 cubic centimeter. I'm not writing the answers. ठीक है, तो आपको लिखना है बाद में। समझ में आ गया ना? क्वेश्चन 1, क्वेश्चन 2, क्वेश्चन 3 समझ में आ गया ना? आया कि नहीं आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
I will send it after some time. Okay, now we are going to question number B. When 4
These are problem solving, right?
नहीं नहीं, डायरेक्ट आंसर हो सकता है बेटा। यू कैन डू कैलकुलेशन। व्हेन 4 एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर आयरन बॉल्स आर ड्रॉप्ड इनटू अ बकेट कंटेनिंग वाटर। ये बकेट में पानी है, उसमें हम लोग आयरन बॉल्स डाल रहे हैं। कितने आयरन बॉल्स डाल रहे हैं? 4 एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर, सेम वॉल्यूम वाला। Then the water level increased by 100 ml. तब 4 डालने से वाटर का लेवल 100 ml इंक्रीज हो गया। What will be the volume of a ball? एक बॉल का वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? सोच के बताइए। 4 का नहीं,
25 ml.
25 ml। आई होप आर्यन ने आंसर बताया है ना? आर्यन, किसने बोला आंसर?
मैम आरव ने।
आरव एक्सप्लेन कर दी।
Arav gave the answer.
आरव बेटा, यू टेल मी, आपको ये 25 ml आंसर कैसे मिला? आप बताइए, आपका दोस्त लोग भी सुनेंगे। ओके बेटा, यू कैन।
4 को मैम 100 को 4 से डिवाइड किया।
क्यों 4 से डिवाइड किया बेटा?
मैम क्योंकि 4 सेम 4 पेबल्स को डाला तो 100 ml बढ़ा, तो कितना
Yes.
होगा? मतलब एक पेबल ने कितनी वॉल्यूम ली?
ओके बेटा, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइसली एक्सप्लेन्ड। और बाकी बच्चों को समझ में आया? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood.
देयर इज
Yes,
वन मोर
ma'am. We
क्वेश्चन।
understood.
वन मोर क्वेश्चन, दिस ऑल्सो आई विल सेंड इट इन व्हाट्सएप। मैं इसको पढ़ नहीं रही हूँ, ये आपको खुद रीड करके, खुद समझ के, विदाउट माई हेल्प खुद करना है, ठीक है? और वी विल डिस्कस ऑल दिस टुमारो in our next period, all answers, but your classwork should be ready when you come to the next class. Okay? और सबको समझ में आया आज का लेसन?
Yes, ma'am. We talked. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but don't leave the class. I have to take attendance also. Okay, beta. Wait. Let me take attendance. Okay. Then only you leave.
Ma'am, there are 4 videos on.
Okay, beta. Videos off kar dijiye, beta. All of you off your videos. Okay. Now we will end the class by chanting Shanti Path. All of you can join your hands, but off the videos. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Okay, Sai Ram to all of you.
Sai Ram ma'am and bye ma'am.
Sai Ram.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Sai Ram
Okay,
ma'am,
beta.
thank
Sai
you.
Ram. Sai Ram. Let me stop.
Saira ma'am, bye ma'am, thank you.
Sai Ram.